In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text on the Webflow platform, a powerful tool that allows you to build and design websites with ease. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a refresher, this tutorial will walk you through the basic process of selecting and editing text elements to make your website truly your own. Let's start by selecting the text element you want to edit. On your Webflow canvas, find the specific text you wish to change. To do this, simply click on that text. It's important to feel confident in identifying the elements on your page, as this is the first step toward customization. Once you've clicked on the text element, you need to enter edit mode. This is done by either double-clicking on the text itself or clicking the pencil icon that appears when you hover over the element. Entering edit mode is crucial because it opens up the ability to make direct changes to your text, a feature that enhances your workflow efficiency. Now that you're in edit mode, it's time to start typing. You can easily replace the existing text by typing directly over it. This straightforward process allows you to quickly update your content without any fuss, keeping your workflow smooth and intuitive. Formatting your text is an essential part of web design, as it helps convey your message clearly and attractively. For simple formatting needs, such as setting your text to bold or italics, or even creating links, you simply select the text you want to format. A menu will appear, providing you with several common options. This quick menu makes it easy to make basic text adjustments without breaking your stride. For those moments when your content needs a bit more complexity, such as creating lists or embedding images, you can turn to the rich text options available in the inline toolbar. This advanced functionality supports a richer content experience, allowing you to fully customize your text with a variety of embellishments. Once you're satisfied with your edits and formatting choices, it's important to save your changes. You can do this by pressing the Enter key on your keyboard, or by clicking outside of the text element. Saving your changes ensures that all your hard work is not lost and that your content displays accurately on your site. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to effectively edit and format text on Webflow. Whether you need simple edits or more involved content formatting, these techniques will help you present your information in the best possible way. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!